The roses, I'll show you the roses again. They're in my other video, in the craft video, but it's just, let's see if I can remember how to do it. So you take 2 Hershey's Kisses, 2 Hershey's Kisses, put them wide end to wide end, and wrap them around like so, okay? And then again, you're gonna take the skewer. If you want to, you can try and skewer the kiss. I find that very hard to do. But the skewer will go in, just not real easy. Hold it next, the point of the skewer next to the top of the Hershey's Kiss. Make sure this is stretched out or it's not going to stick. And just twist them around. You can do these on wires as well. And put the wires in the bouquet. But you've got the skewers, so that's why I do the skewers. And then the same thing with these as with the tulips. You can take a leaf and put it on alongside here. Oops, put it right side. And tape it on. So obviously for Valentine's or a birthday or whatever, you can make a rose. Okay, so there's our tulip and our rose. So you can make those, and so if that's all you have are Reese's and Hershey's Kisses, you can make those. Okay, if you've got these other guys, so like I showed before, I made this, but it's got a point on the front of it. So you can take any candy, including the peeps, and you can just take it and you skewer it, just like so. And so now you have candy in here. And like I said, I love doing the peeps, especially the bunny peeps. But unfortunately, it's not Easter right now, so I couldn't get them. All you're going to hear is crackle, 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 crackle. Getting all the candy. Okay. Oh, these are strawberry. I can smell them. So these stay on here really well, and they make a great bouquet. Okay. So your next job is now that you've got your 33 of these skewers, is to start getting the candy on them. So I'm just going to take these peeps and start popping them on here. Doesn't take very long. Ta-da! I don't have 33 peeps, so I'm not going to do the entire bouquet of peeps. So I'll have chocolates and marshmallows. But wouldn't that be cute, a whole bouquet of little marshmallow hearts? Wouldn't that be adorable? Just stuff them on there and get your cellophane out here. Okay, I'm just putting the last few on here. Last few little, this is the cooking and cream one, so it's a little harder to get on. Okay. So there we have them all with a candy on them. Now, you need to put them on here, and we start in the center, and then we're going to just kind of, go down in tiers. So the first I'm going to start with are the pattern ones, and I'm not going to cut them. So I'm just going to put 6 of these in. Now your container may be different on how many you use and how you cut it. So every container is a little different. And I always keep an extra one of the skewers right here in case I hit the tape and I need to poke a hole in the tape, like a guide hole, kind of like pre-drilling, because the tape, doesn't like to go through the tape. So, where was that? I poked a hole and now I can't find it. Okay, so we'll start with the patterned ones. And we're going to do these first. So this one's going to be the tallest. We'll put a couple of these in. And just go around.